Ladies and gentlemen, this will be a tag team match. One fall with a 10-minute time limit. Introducing first from Lebanon, weighing 221 pounds, Mohamed Saad. His partner from Nice, France, weighing 240 pounds, Rene Goulet. Their opponents, first from Calgary, Alberta, weighing 230 pounds, Bret Hart. His partner from Leeds, England, weighing 240 pounds, Davy Boy Smith.
We have tag team competition. Jack Reynolds at ringside along with the legendary Angelo Mosca. Your referee for this bout will be Roger Fournier. We're waiting for the bell. There it is, and this match officially underway.
You know, there's a crafty veteran in that ring, Rene Goulet, and he's trained in the French Foreign Legion. He doesn't look anything like Michael Jackson. I don't know the significance of the glove, Jack, but we'll have to wait and see.
I've seen Mohamed Saad in action before. He's a fine professional wrestler.
And also Bret Hart, he's the son of a great promoter from Calgary, Alberta. And if this Billy Boy Smith is anything like a young fella from England by Dynamite Kid, this should be an exciting match.
I've had the opportunity and the pleasure of watching young Danny Boy Smith from Leeds, England in action. And I'll tell you, he is a fast comer in the world of professional wrestling. He's going to be a good one. Beautiful takeover right there by the young man from Calgary.
This also should be a exhibition of science and skill of what professional wrestling is all about with these two young fellas.
There's the tag, and here comes Danny Boy Smith from Leeds, England. Well, you talk about speed. Oh, nice body slamming there by Rene Goulet. But the wrist lock.
The big thing about these young fellas, they're always aware. Because when you got a crafty veteran like Rene Goulet, see that smart block on that suplex?
Mohamed Saad in there right now after a tag. Leg scissors.
He is quick.
Suplex coming up. Oh, tremendous suplex in there by Danny Boy Smith, the young man from Leeds, England. Oh, look at that elbow smash. Boy, they felt that one up in row Z, I'll tell you. Body slam.
Where's he going now, Jack?
Going up on top. Goulet interceding. Rene Goulet right now trying to intercede. Here comes Danny Boy Smith. That's it. The crowd, they are standing up, cheering. They love it. Oh, they are going wild, and you are seeing some of the fastest newcomers in the world of professional wrestling. Let's go up to the ring right now for the official decision.
The winners of the match, the team of Bret Hart and Davy Boy Smith.
Boy, you talk about a couple of young men that work well together and got a lot of speed in that ring. The combination of Bret Hart and Danny Boy Smith doing very well. Let's take another look at that tremendous move in there by the young man from Leeds, England, Danny Boy Smith. As he gets up there, Goulet trying to intercede, Angelo.
I see that Goulet. Look at this dive. This is unbelievable.
The Swan Splash in there. There's the press. Roger Fournier with the 3 count. And it's all over.
I think when you speak about the high dive off the top rope, I think you got to think of Jimmy Snuka.